This is actually my third time in Bali. Aware about how good the massages are, and they are so cheap. Okay, so we are finally on our way to Bali. I'm at the Delhi airport right now, boarding my flight, and it's Vietjet Air. I'm flying this airline for the first time, and I've heard कि ये बहुत ही नो फ्रिल्स एयरलाइन है. यहाँ पे कुछ भी फ्री में नहीं मिलता है. You have to buy everything. So once I reach the flight, I will also show you कि वो कैसा प्लेन है. No entertainment on the flight. Okay, so we have arrived in Bali at Denpasar airport right now. It was a long journey. The layover was very short, 1.5 hours, but still it was overnight. So feeling very tired right now. We arrived in Ubud last night and we chilled at our villa because we were really tired from all the traveling. I'm still very tired, but all set to go to Mount Batur. It's 3 a.m. right now. It's really dark. Wait, let me show you. It's really dark right now. It's 3 a.m. This is right outside our villa. We are waiting for our pickup. We are still in Ubud. We have come to the point where we need to shift from our existing car into a jeep because it's a jeep ride to Mount Batur. हमारी जीप में पेट्रोल भर रहा है रास्ते के बीच में. Very sleepy people. Okay, so we are at the viewpoint. There are at least 100 jeeps here. ये सब लोग sunrise का wait कर रहे हैं line से. So while we wait for the sunrise, we have bought some local coffee from here along with an egg sandwich because बहुत भूख लगी है. 2 घंटे से उठे हुए हैं हम.
तोड़ लो.
We had a second jeep with us which broke down on the way. So हम लोग बस होप कर रहे हैं कि जो हमारी सेकंड जीप है जिसमें हमारे बाकी 3 लोग हैं वो सनराइज से पहले पहुंच जाए एंड सनराइज आई थिंक नेक्स्ट 6-7 मिनट्स में हो जाएगा. ये फोटो शूट चल रहा है. गाड़ी पे खड़े होकर हमारी सेकंड जीप पहुंच गई है. Finally. we thought they'll miss the sunrise, but there's still I think 5-7 more minutes to go. But look at the view. So Mount Batur sunrise is done and अब हम same jeep में बैठकर, which is this yellow jeep that we came in, we are going back to base camp where our original car had left us to sit in the jeep, and after that we'll go to our next destination. This is all the lava from Mount Batur.
Hey guys, this is all the coffee plant and that's the coffee bean how look like, yeah. So that's the coffee bean. It turns into red when it's ready to pick. But the
This
taste
is the
and
coffee
smell,
bean.
Yeah.
Okay.
The taste and the smell will comes out when it's processed. There is two different type of coffee. You know ginseng?
Yes.
Yeah, herb which is very good for memories and also energy booster.
Yes.
We make coffee from the root and we call it honeymoon coffee. Mama pienge tho, papa tak जाएंगे and dono pienge palang tur जाएगा. This is the potty from the luwak, yeah, exactly comes out like this, yeah. See, it's still whole bean because they cannot chew the bean, they just swallow it. Yeah. So before we make into the powder, we have to wash by hot water 5 to 10 times and then we dry under the sun. Goes to white, see. The next step, we have to remove the shell. You don't have to think about the potty because there is a shell protect the bean. It's mean the bean inside never touch the poo of the animal. Okay. When you drink luwak coffee, you don't drink potty. That's good. This is the normal coffee, not potty coffee, yeah. So this is the potty coffee, yeah. You can smell. You can smell, right?
It's a little mild, I think, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Hello, namaste.
Namaste. Coffee tasting?
Yeah, this is the coffee testing. We have tea also. Garam masala chai.
Masala chai also?
Masala chai.
Oh, nice. यहाँ पे इंडियंस ही ज्यादा आते होंगे.
Bali coffee, Bali cacao, palang coffee.
पलंग तोड़.
This tea can weight loss, naril coffee, hydra quali chai. This is vanilla coffee. This tea good for.
So we have so many varieties.
So we're trying
Which one is your favorite?
This cocoa something.
Bali coffee.
Bali coffee.
Bali coffee cocoa. My favorite is also this. My second favorite is avocado coffee.
The worst
Which
one is
one?
turmeric.
Same what you said.
Cocoa and Same.
avocado.
Ginseng.
Ginseng is
Turmeric. Try भाई उल्टी कर दो.
This Rosella tea.
Rosella tea is favorite. अरे
इस
वाह.
वाले में पूरा hot
Mine is
chocolate
vanilla
का taste आ रहा
coffee.
है.
Vanilla coffee.
Yeah. This
Yeah.
one,
Vanilla वाला
is
taste नहीं किया.
This is vanilla coffee. It's a little too sweet,
Yeah. Too sweet.
but Bali coffee and cocoa is the best.
उसमें hot chocolate का end taste आ रहा है. After taste.
And this is sweetened with coconut sugar. Also इसमें hot chocolate का after taste आ रहा है, जैसे कि हमारे दोस्तों ने बोला. So after Mount Batur and coffee plantation, the much awaited, we are here to ride some ATVs. It's really hot. It's really hot in Bali. So we are in February right now. That's when this video is being made. Exact date 7th Feb. And as you can see behind me, I'm at Ride Bali Adventure and we are here to do some ATV off-roading, which I'm very excited about.
Can you report my son?
Yeah,
Hi.
of course.
We are
Hi.
tourists from Australia, and
From
this
Australia?
guy. Yeah,
Oh,
where are you
lovely.
from? India.
I'm from India, yes.
Oh, nice, nice. Yeah. Hi guys. She's vlogging. If you guys want to come to the vlog,
Just say hi.
Hello.
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 That's a lovely family from Australia. So coming back, yeah, very excited about riding the ATVs. But अभी कुछ लोग जो ride करके आए थे, मैंने उनको यहाँ पे वापस enter करते हुए देखा, and they were covered in mud. And I'm wearing full joggers with full sleeves because सुबह बहुत ठंड थी. Otherwise, I would have never worn full clothes. I mean, not in a bad way, but और फिर मेरे को कीचड़ लग जाएगी सारी. Before going on the ATV, they've given us shoes And they've also given us helmets, as you can see in the shadow. All set to ride the ATV. I have covered my head with a shower cap because the helmets were a little dirty. And under the boots also I'm wearing 2 plastic bags as socks, which is a great option that's available here to maintain some hygiene. कैसा था आपका फर्स्ट ATV एक्सपीरियंस?
बहुत बढ़िया मजा आ गया एकदम।
आपने तो चलाई हुई नहीं।
लेकिन मैं पीछे बैठी
So we just got our meals. This is veg fried rice. This is vegetarian noodles. This is non-veg with egg. So this food was included in our whole package of the ATV. And after the ride, this is the complimentary meal that we got. I'm in Ubud main market now. This is also called Ubud City Center. And after waking up at 3 a.m., going for 2 tours and 1 coffee plantation, I really need a massage now. That's what I'm looking for. By the way, this is not my first time in Bali. This is actually my 3rd time in Bali. And I'm aware about how good the massages are. And they are so cheap. They are so affordable. It's not even funny. So it's day 3 in Bali, in Ubud. Luckily, the weather is quite clear and we are headed towards our port. So this is the company that has organized our tour. The clouds are coming back. I just hope it doesn't rain while we're on the ferry or while we're trying to do the snorkeling. So this is our boat.
Can we go now? क्या crazy है भाई?
Finally reached Nusa Penida. And this is how the boat looks. A little bit of sun is back. So hopefully our snorkeling's still gonna happen. But we'll find out very soon. It's sunny and cloudy both. Weather thoda weird hai, but let's see. So that's our private boat for the 6 of us for snorkeling. Ready for snorkeling? So we're still on the Nusa Penida tour. The snorkeling was amazing. We went to 3 points. The unfortunate thing was that weather was so not in our favor. The weather was so bad and the waves were so choppy that we could not go to Manta Bay, which was the main reason why we went for snorkeling in Nusa Penida, because I wanted to see manta rays and we couldn't do that, but we went to 3 other snorkeling points and they were decent. Like, it had a lot of small fish, there were starfish, there were 2 or 3 big fish and we saw 1 turtle. But honestly, it is not something that, you know, is super special and you can't skip. So I would say that go for Nusa Penida snorkeling only if there is guarantee of good weather and there is a guarantee that your snorkeling company will take you to the manta ray point. And now we're at Broken Beach. That is the point till which people are hiking. We started walking from there, and honestly I feel that if it's just for a picture, I don't want to do the whole walk because we're already very tired from the snorkeling. So we're just spending some time here, maybe get a few pictures clicked. So my take on Nusa Penida is that if you're coming to Indonesia for the first time, you should come here for the tour because it's nice to see. The views are really nice. But if you're somebody who visits... Hello. But if you're somebody who visits Bali frequently or has plans to visit multiple times, then for Nusa Penida, just come and stay here for 2-3 days so that you can really, absorb what it has to offer. And the day tours that get you here in the morning and take you back in the evening, they're super commercial, super touristy. And honestly, while the snorkeling was nice, but I feel that Gili has better snorkeling. Day tour is really not worth it. You just keep going and, taking points off the checklist by just going to multiple spots, and I feel that the island has more to it than that. So yeah, that's my take on it. Also with these day tours, they all have lunch included and there are not many options. So the only options that were there was either fried rice or fried noodles, which is obvious because you're in Indonesia. But honestly, like being in Bali for a few days, you actually get bored of having just fried rice and noodles. People who eat non-veg, for them it's nasi goreng and mee goreng, and for vegetarians just veg fried rice or veg fried noodles. So there are not many options, so be prepared to order lunch on your own if you don't want to eat this. क्या size है coconut का यार? मलाई भी है. Oh, look at the thickness of the malai. This is so good. मुझे भी पसंद. We can share the malai. Good morning. This is our last morning. We'll be checking out today, and आज मैं आपको दिखाना चाहती हूँ. This is one thing that I always carry on all my trips. इसमें ऐसे sachets होते हैं for instant chai, and all you have to do is boil water. Just put this sachet. It has sugar, chai, everything. This is so good. मैं usually Delhi में जब होती हूँ घर पे मैं चाय नहीं पीती हूँ. I'm more of a coffee person, but somehow when I'm on vacations, I feel like having tea. I don't know why. So good morning. So our 3 nights in our wonderful Ubud villa are over now. We are checking out. So Ubud में हमारा stay अब खत्म होता है. From here, we are first going to Kretia, which is a very famous day bar over here. And then after that, we will come back to our accommodation, pick our luggage, and then head over to Canggu, which is our next destination in Bali. So stay tuned. I will take you through Kretia first and then the Canggu accommodation.